Hello everyone. Give me a thumbs up if I'm audible. We will wait for a minute before we begin. Thank you for letting me know. Thank you. Okay, we'll start now. I'll start with introducing myself. A very good afternoon to you all who have joined just now. My name is Veerti Shah and I'm owner of Sanford Preschool. I'm an early childhood educator. I'm glad to be in a profession where I can shape little minds and help them in their very important early years of development. Why early years? It is very important to start early. Children are like blank book. We as teachers and you as parents get to write whatever you want in the beautiful first few years of them. Remember to write wisely. Now here. What is routine? Can anybody tell me what is routine? Routine is an order. Routine सबके लिए होता है. It is order of the day that you follow things in. It can be anything. Example, waking up in the morning, brushing the teeth, having shower, having breakfast, going to work. This is order of the day and that is routine. It is important for all of us. Why? क्योंकि हमें पता रहता है कि how our day is going to be. And we don't like surprises over there because we plan accordingly. Whether it's office work, housework, etc. etc. And same is with children. They like to know. They like to be in the know of what their day is going to be like. रूटीन एडल्ट्स के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है और बच्चों के लिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. इट गिव्स देम कंफर्ट, कंसिस्टेंसी, सिक्योरिटी, knowing what is going to happen in their day, knowing what to expect. It helps them a lot. हमारे लिए भी इमेजिन यू हैव प्लान्ड योर डे एंड सडनली यू गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम हस्बैंड कि अभी इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वी हैव टू गो टू बैंक राइट नाउ. शायद 2 घंटे भी हो सकते हैं, 4 घंटे भी हो सकते हैं, वी डोंट नो, बट वी हैव टू गो इमीडिएटली. देन व्हाट विल यू फील लाइक? लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेल्ट डाउन. हम मैच्योर है तो हम शायद वो बाहर एक्सप्रेस ना भी करें अंदर जो भी चल रहा है, बट किड्स विल एक्सप्रेस इट थ्रू मेल्ट डाउन्स, टेम्पर टेंट्रम्स, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा. Behind every temper tantrum, there is a reason. And following a routine will save you from that. Children have fear of unknown. जब उनको पता नहीं है ना, and something comes up, they are very very scared. They might express it through a tantrum or something. But उनको डर लगता है. While change is a necessary life skill, it also adds to unnecessary stress. It is very important to have a schedule and routine with the child. If they know what's coming, they are well prepared for that. And generally, you have better behaved kids as well. Lesser temper tantrums and better behaved kids. Now, why should we start early? We will go through a little brief on the infant routine, and then we will switch on to the main topic, which is the routine for the elder kids. So why is routine important for infants as well? When infants have a good routine, they have better eating habits, they have better bowel movements, they know what to expect, and generally lesser meltdowns and temper tantrums, and happier childhood. And generally we have, all the mothers, they have some or other routine with their little ones. Now along the way, when the kids go, grow up, then some of it is lost, because children gain control over their life. But it's better to always have it in place, and it will reap a lot of benefits in future for you and the child. So now, what are the benefits of routine? It teaches them time management and scheduling. They know what to expect in their day. They know, okay fine, I have my school, I'll come home, I'll have my meal, then there is a nap time, then again a snack time, then I have to sleep, then I have to start with my homework, then perhaps screen time, play time, and then go to sleep. It helps them a lot. Helps them to set expectations. How? They will know when they have a schedule, they will know that my screen time is after my homework time. So when they come and ask, Mama, can I have my screen time? All you have to say is, baby, have you checked your schedule? What's on there? Have you done your homework? Are you done with your homework? शायद वो आएगा ही नहीं. Once they are in the habit of following schedule, अगर homework बाकी है तो they will not even come to ask for the screen time after a while. So it helps to set expectation कि जब तक मेरा homework नहीं finished है, I cannot do the screen time. It gives them confidence and independence. That's the third point. So कैसे? Once child is reading, they don't even need to come and ask, Mama, now what? They'll go and check their schedule. अगर different classes, different days of the week में है, तो they'll be confused. What should I be preparing for today? आज drawing class है या आज chess class है या what it is? When they can read their schedule, they will know, okay fine, Monday it's a drawing class, so I have to prepare with the things that I will need for my drawing class. Tuesday is a chess class, I have to be prepared with my chess things. That gives them, छोटे छोटी चीज़ों में आपको बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा. They will take that ownership, and that will really help them. Number 4, it will create habits. Habits का ऐसा है कि you can create a good habit, you can create a bad habit. कुछ तो लगेगा. So better है कि create good habits. ये एक कैरेक्टर ट्रेट है. जो बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल लोग भी होते हैं ना, they are very disciplined from the very start. Most successful people will have a routine, a schedule, a journal, everything. And that's how they are disciplined as well. They stay on top of their task by planning. Number 5, children get excited. They get excited about what's coming. So here is an example. Say for example, there is a plan for weekend movie. Yeah, you're going to take them to a park on the weekend. Yeah, some other plan. So the excitement for movie itself is going to last for probably 2 or 3 hours. But वो जाने का जो excitement है, वो तो पूरा weekend रहता है. It will stay a little longer. Gives them chance to be happy for a longer period of time. It is must. Try it. Anybody has any question about routine so far before I jump into the next topic of how you can incorporate the routine? Please let me know if you have any questions. Then I'll try my best to answer. Okay, so if you have any questions later on as well, you can just ask me. So right now we are going to start with, how and where to start creating a routine and scheduling with your child. So first of all, you have to know your child. If your child may be accommodating to changes, yeah, so he'll be afraid of the changes. He may not like it at all. So you have to know your child. That's very first and important thing. Number 2, you sit with the child and schedule and create a planner. When children participate in making their own schedule and planner, they are more likely to follow it. वहाँ पे sense of ownership आ जाता है. And if they have made it, they will be very excited to follow it as well. Number 3, you can, if you and child are the crafty person, you can make a nice colorful planner, or a general planner is fine too. Number 4, start with usual. If your child is not very accommodating to changes, you must start with something usual that is similar to their normal day. Then you can slowly and gradually change it, which helps them. Once they are into routine smoothly, then you can change it a little here and there. Number 4, managing the screen time. Now this is extremely important. Managing the screen time, working on the screen time is a major goal and should be a major goal of all millennial parents. अभी तो ये सिचुएशन है कि पेरेंट्स को कुछ भी काम है, द मोस्ट ईजी थिंग इज जस्ट गिव मोबाइल टू द चाइल्ड. ना तो पेरेंट्स को ब्रेन वर्क करना है, ना ही चाइल्ड को ब्रेन वर्क करना है. We don't do that. So what we will do is manage the screen time. We will strictly put time on the schedule for screen time. Say for example, again, जब भी screen time का है, you don't take things away from the child straight away. Say for example, whether it's playing or whether it is screen time, you just don't say suddenly, okay fine, it's your time to shut down the TV. That doesn't work with children. When the screen time is on, suppose you are allowing half an hour of screen time, तो 20 minutes पे you can say 20 minutes is over baby, 10 minutes बाकी है. After 5 minutes you tell them only 5 minutes to go baby, you have to shut it down then, and most likely child will shut down after 30 minutes. लेकिन in case he comes and tells you, mama, there's only little bit to go, what do? I want to watch it, please let me watch na. What do? That is completely up to you. You check exactly kitna baki hai unka video. If it's 2-3 minutes, you might as well let it go. If it's longer than that, you take them into confidence. You tell them, baby, let's stop it now. I will save this video and we will continue again from where you left tomorrow. Usse he will not be heartbroken. There will not be withdrawal symptoms of taking something dearer away. Then the screen time has to be after the most dreaded chore of the child, which may be homework or something else for your child. So screen time ke chakkar mein homework will be done, or the most dreaded chore will be done as well. And they don't have to do it after the most exciting thing they have done uske baad mein. So it's better you keep the boring chore on top, and then the screen time. That really helps them. Number 6, incorporate outdoor play or physical activity. It's very important for their physical as well as mental health. And especially in this time of COVID, it is must. Number 7, sorry. Establish a time, special time of yours with the child, whether it's playing board games or anything. You can also have, in this time of pandemic as well, you can also have those 1 or 2 friends that you can call for a play date. It's very important for them to socialize with their own age, as well as you. You can play board games with them, you can play anything. You can play tea party. Last but not the least, remember, kids are not computers. And you have to allow little bit of adjustment here and there. हम ह्यूमन से डील कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर से नहीं. So that is the most important thing ever. Any questions anybody has right now? Okay, before I say goodbye, I would like to thank all of you for attending today. I would like to thank Rupal ma'am and Smart Mamas for the platform and the opportunity. Thank you so much for attending my session today, and thank you to all of you who are going to watch this later as well as a saved video. You all have a good weekend. Goodbye.